Hello and welcome back with yet another video. In this video, I'm gonna isolate the back doors and the sliding door. In this step, I'm using XPS isolation to put on the doors as well. I'm gonna put double face tape to put XPS roll, this one, the black one, and I'm trying to cover all the metal as you see. Then I put double face as well and put the middle section. Then I try to put just some tapes to hold it in place. The same step it will be for the other door. As you see, it's the same. Put double face and put the XPS and then put it in place, then put the XPS roll, the black one, so it will be well isolated. This van, it will be perfect for winter, so that's why I'm focusing very much in the isolation, because I live in Sweden and Sweden is very cold in winter. So if I'm gonna do van life in winter, so I have to have very well isolated van. And this step, I just bring the plywood 4mm and place it on the back door and trying to with the pen to see, mark where should I cut. After that, I just remove the plywood and start cutting. Some people use trim wood machine to trim the sides, but I didn't have it. That's why I just use a pen and marker and go and cut it. In this step, I just put the plywood in place and try to find where the screws are and try to just drill the place of the screws to find where the screws should be. This is too much work because you have to put it many times in place and try it again and again and again until it fits. So after it fits, I did like framing for the window. After we did the framing, as you see, I just try to fit it in place and then put the plywood back and screw it, secure it in place, and then I will make a hole in the middle. I will just drill a hole in the middle and then cut a bit and then mark it with a pen from the inside. This is the best way that I could do it. So guys, as you see, I was fighting. This was a war here. Anyways, I did this, as you see here, and I need to mark some. It's not perfect yet. This is the first one, and it takes time until you figure out how you're gonna find all these holes. And you see, it's not easy, but it works. Oh, I'm tired. There is some spots, like as you see here. I hope this should be a bit more, and I have cut more here. Anyways, we're gonna figure out in somehow to hide this. I just keep it like that and put some lighting inside and cut this straight. You see, and I just need to fix these curves a bit more, and that's it. Let's continue working. In this step, I just removed and try to make the lines straight and cut it straight so it looks better and the curves looks much better. And I did like waves on the top, and as well I have to test it again and again to see if it fits well. Then I have to remove it back, and yeah. So let's see what we have here. I'm still working to fit this on that, but I added some lights. This is what I did so far. Did this and this, so, and put some lighting. As you see here in the back, there is some spotlights underneath, as you see here, and a switch. One thing that I didn't like with it, the spotlight, it's 1, 2 and 3. The third one, it's not in the middle, it's here, exactly here somewhere. Yeah, it's here. It's not in the middle, which is not super nice for me, but it works. And the best part is hide and switch. Everything is hidden, and this is 10 centimeters. Now it's time to mount it, and you see, when I work with it, it was a bit dirty. I have to clean it very good, but first I will mount it and connect the cables and see the lighting that if works and not. This one was not easy at all. It looks good, for me at least. I'm proud of it because I did it. At first I thought it's very difficult. Then I said, I will do it anyway. So mount it back and see how it looks. So keep watching. Finally, I will connect the cables and put it in place permanently, and this is the last step. It looks very good and I like it. I'm very proud of it because it was not easy at all, and I think it looks very good. I will do the same for the other door as well. I think it sits perfect. See? Oh, now we're gonna try. I'll connect the lighting to the battery directly and try it and see if it works. Oh, let's see. I have connected to this battery, so let's check out the switch, hidden switch. Oh my god, check this out. That's amazing, isn't it? Look at that. That's perfect. So now this door is done. I will make the other door. So let's start with the sliding door. I have used the XPS isolation as well here, but this one is much thicker. But I don't know if I did right or wrong in this step, because there is a lot of cables, and I try to make the cables from outside, and I fill the gap with a spray foam to fill the gaps. And on the top side I did 2 layers 1 centimeters XPS, and I think it was good. In this step I'm just filling the gaps with spray foam, as you see. So I did this I will put them here and I will use them as a storage, and I will put back the original one, but now it's outside. It was very damaged, so I have been working on it. So after sleeping now I will paint it, clean it and paint it black. But first I will remove this tree here, some ceiling, so let's do it. In this step I'm gonna put some ceilings and put it in place. As you see, this will be as a storage, and I think it looks good. In this way you can save a storage place instead of just covering it. I think it was a good idea. What do you think? So like that. I think it's very small storage, but it looks nice. Not now, after cleaning and sanding and some work, it will be perfect. Yeah, so I think it looks nice. As you see, it is some isolation and this, and that's it. I think I will continue to work with this, cleaning and painting, and mount this back, and then I need to do it with this machine. I don't have it, I don't know what it's called, but I need new tools. After sanding and painting this plywood that came with the van, that is the original one, so I think it looks good, and it was very damaged and I have fixed it. I fill it with wood filler and now it looks much better. Then when I get the wood trimmer, I will open these gaps and will be like small storage. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to support me. So see you in the next video. Peace.